This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock video footage. First, begin by thoroughly researching popular stock footage categories and current trends to understand market demand. Identify your unique niche and target audience to ensure your content stands out. Carefully plan each shot, paying close attention to composition, lighting, and the specific subject matter. This foundational planning is crucial for creating footage that resonates with buyers and meets industry standards, setting you up for success from the very start. Once your planning is complete, focus on capturing high-quality footage. Always use stable camera equipment, like a sturdy tripod or a smooth gimbal, to ensure your shots are steady and professional. Aim to shoot in high resolution, such as 4K, which offers greater flexibility for editing and future uses. Pay close attention to proper lighting and focus, as these elements are essential for clear, crisp, and visually appealing video clips that buyers will appreciate. After filming, the editing process is key to preparing your footage for stock platforms. Edit your clips to be concise, typically ranging from 5 to 30 seconds in duration, focusing on the most impactful moments. Perform thorough color correction and grading to achieve a polished, consistent look across all your submissions. Finally, export your videos in common formats like MOV or MP4, using appropriate codecs to maintain quality while ensuring compatibility with various platforms. The final step involves submitting your footage and optimizing its discoverability. Choose reputable stock video platforms that align with your content and goals. For each clip, write descriptive titles and a comprehensive set of relevant keywords. This is vital for buyers to find your work. Additionally, take time to understand the different licensing models and pricing structures offered by platforms, which directly impacts your potential earnings from your valuable video assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.